This page includes all the inquiries made through the Contact Us page on your website. And by clicking on the inquiry ID on the left, you can open the inquiry. Here it will have the subject of the inquiry, the date and time it was submitted, the email address it was sent from, a contact number, and the message or comment they left. And we just have to click back to go back to the list of all inquiries here. Also, in the settings of the Contact Enquires module, you are able to make changes to both the contact settings in the footer and the settings on the Contact Us page. This is also where you keep the email address that all the inquiries are sent to. So if your contact email is different from the footer email, you can keep it here.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.